All right, I'm at the pick apart yard. Here's my first option. I can't tell if this is the exact same grill, but man, it's in pretty good shape. I'd want to replace the emblem, make that look a little better. I can't take the bumper's garbage. Okay, there's option 1 for a grill. All right, here's option 2. Got this Tahoe here. I don't want the grill. I've already decided I don't want the grill. It's got too much damage. Although the emblem looks better. But the bumper. Let's see here. Bumper looks pretty good. I might be heading home to get the truck so I can take that bumper and that grill. I'm thinking. Don't let her bonk her head too hard. That's so cute. Let me see you two, Reagan, Mason. Congratulations, soccer players. Rosie! Hi, sweetie. She's excited to see you guys. All right, let me show you what I got going on here. I've gone to the junkyard twice, got a bumper, got a grill. Facebook Marketplace, I found these new headlights, and so yeah, let me show you everything I've got and we'll get this truck put back together. Alright, so here's the old. This is the reason I'm replacing that whole grill, because that one got busted off. And here's the old bumper. Look at how much rust. Look at all that rust. This is the old. Alright. So, you know, the old doesn't look too bad until you get over here and it's just all mangled. So this is the reason I need a new bumper. Maybe I could have hammered that out and bent it back, but that wasn't worth it to me. Spent $60 on this bad boy. Okay, once again, I didn't have a truck to haul it, so I fit it in my Civic here. It barely made it home. All right, heading to Ace Hardware. Got to get some supplies to fix up the bumper I got from the junkyard. So let's go shopping. All right, that's the stuff. Primer, metallic finish. Looks like chrome. Hi, how was?
Have a reward number?
801. All right, got what I need here. Check this out. In the store, the owner of the Ogden Raptors, local baseball team, he's always dropping by tickets. So yeah, we're gonna go to an Ogden Raptors game as the fam. Got free tickets. Can't pass up free. All right, back home to get this bumper, hopefully at least get the coat of primer on, and heck, I might have it installed tonight. That's what I'm hoping. Let's try it. Alrighty, here we go. Primer, wire brush. I'm gonna hit it with this first. All right, bud, you want to show me your course? Okay, tell me about it.
So first, I go around these cones and then shoot it at the ball. And then I come back over here and I do this with the ladder.
Okay.
And then I get the ball and shoot it. And then I do these jumps and I get the ball and shoot.
Okay, show me. Let's see it. Where'd you learn this?
I just barely made it up.
You just made it up?
Yeah.
Nice. Do you ever use that rebounder?
Yeah.
Show me how that works.
So, you practice using your foot, your chest, your knee, or anything. But if you usually play bowling, you can practice catching it.
Okay, let's see it. Control and take a shot after you rebound it. Boom. That's a goal. Dude, you work so hard. I'm so proud of you.
Thanks.
Keep it up. All right, should we go see if the paint's dry?
Yeah.
Let's go check it out. It's hard to tell in the dark.
Yeah.
It's only been drying for, I don't know, like 5 or 10 minutes. Let's let it dry for 5 or 10 more and then we'll put on the chrome.
Okay.
Alright, so I'm looking at headlamp bulbs for my truck. And I mean, you can get anything that's $1.44 each. We've got Wagner, Phillips, GE, Sylvania, Hella. You know, here we're looking at up to 50% brighter than the standard performance halogen. Pretty cheap, way cheap. And then we start getting down into these. There we go. Phillips, 60% more light. Low beam, HID look. Hella low beam halogen high performance, up to 100% more light. 60% more light, 50% more light from the GE. Here we go. Philips High Beam Night Guide Platinum, up to 130% more light. See what I'm dealing with? I've got these new tinted headlights. So I'm thinking I need to go with one of these brighter bulbs. These are 15 bucks each, just about. Come in a 2-pack, so you're looking at $30. Low beam, high beam. So I need one of each, really. Or 2 of each, I should say. 2 high beam, 2 low beam. Get down here into the reduced glare for rain, fog, snow, or rural driving. That doesn't really apply to me, so I'm just going to ignore those. And I've always thought, here's these Hella yellow bulbs. So these yellow Hella bulbs, I've always thought the yellow headlights are super annoying. Even more annoying than like the HID, you know, super LED bright lights. I don't know. Extended life, not really gonna go for any of those. You know, it goes on. Let's see what else. I'm looking for parking lamp bulbs. Yep, I'm gonna need some of these. You know, what color do I want? I'm probably gonna go with LED. I just think that's gonna look best in those parking light Ultinon LED red bulb. $3 each. Might get those. What else we have? Side marker light bulb. We're gonna need those. Yep, they're just tiny little bulbs. Once again, I mean, I know they're the 194 bulbs, and I already have some. You know what I did last time? I just bought like a bigger pack of LEDs. Here you go, right here. 194 white LED, 72 cents each. Probably just do something like that. Ooh, there's blue. Blue would actually look cool. They're $4 each, so I got some choices to make. I'm gonna choose some of these and have some fun with it. I might as well do some upgrades while I'm at it on this truck. Stay tuned. Alright, so we primed it, and now we're gonna throw some chrome paint on it. Looks nice and dry, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go. Alright, Regs, I want you to point the light over here. Let's do this side first. I laid it on a little thick, but this is the inside of the bumper. This is really just to prevent more rust, right?
Yeah. Can you get me my jacket on that car?
Sure.
Thanks. Can you hold this while I'm putting it on?
How's it looking?
Good. Awesome. I think it's looking really good.
It shows all the imperfections.
Looking so
'Cause
shiny.
I didn't sand it very good, but
No, it looks awesome. It's looking so shiny.
give me light over here, Mace. Getting shadows on this side.
So shiny. Dad.
You guys have never seen spray paint before.
Yes, I have. We've seen spray paint just not it going this shiny.
That's shiny spray paint.
Yeah, we've only seen like colorful, like pink and blue and orange, but we've never seen shiny like that.
Okay, what do you think?
It looks so good.
That side ran a little bit.
This one?
Let's go ahead and get an up close of this.
It's so
Okay, man, shine that light. Yeah, here we had some running going. That's my lack of experience with spray paint. Once again, this is the inside of the bumper,
Doesn't really matter
so
how
it really
it looks.
really doesn't matter. It's just to prevent future rust. Shine the light over this way. So we'll just let it dry now. Then I'm gonna install it tonight. I hope I didn't get paint on the front end of it,
Oh yeah.
but I'm gonna wait to touch it until it's dry.
Rather be shiny like a treasure from a sunken pirate wreck.
All right, we're out for our 10 o'clock night walk because I've been working on the truck all night. So here we are, getting our steps in. Check it out now. Need basically to get a mile and a half. So we're gonna go for a 30-minute walk. 10 o'clock at night, because that's what we do. Hey, there's Puppy. Is my phone gonna focus? There it is. Out for our 10 o'clock at night walk. And I'm really trying to decide if I want to put the truck together tonight or do it tomorrow. What do you think, Kenny? You think so? You think it'll wake up the neighbors? Got the air compressor? Well, shoot, the air compressor's already filled. I have to drain it anyway. Figure it out. Well, I found another part that's busted, so Gonna have to call it quits tonight. Dang. I got all these upgrades. These new headlights just look so sharp. I like them. I'll be excited to get the new bulbs in there, the right bulbs. The grill isn't attached yet, it's just sitting there. That bumper light, there's a busted bracket in there. So, gonna have to go to the junkyard, get some more parts, and yeah, get everything secured. But I'm gonna put my tools away and call it a night for tonight. Dang, I was hoping to get it done. Till next time, thanks for watching, and maybe I'll show some more detail in the next video showing how everything goes together. Good night.